Hi, this is Subratha again with another word of the day, where we use the UK's new primary curriculum to build our vocabulary one word at a time, using the Year 5 and 6 spelling words. And today's word is average. I'm going to give you the definitions up front, so we're not actually going to do dictionary work today, but I would like you to have your whiteboards on hand to take any notes if you want to. So here are the definitions. Average is a noun, and there's actually 4 definitions that you can use. The first one is mathematical. An average is, bear with me while I read this out, a number expressing the central or typical value in a set of data, in particularly mode, median, or most commonly the mean, which is calculated by dividing the sum of the values in the set by their number. Good grief, that was a mouthful. So those of you paying attention in your maths class should know what an average is. Now, median, mode is all another way of finding averages, but typically the mean is what we use when we use the word average in everyday life. So here's an example. The proportion of over 60s is above the EU average of 19%. And what that means is everywhere in the UK, the proportion, so that means the percentage of over 60-year-olds that are currently alive, is around 19%. But in the UK, it's higher than that. Definition 2. An amount, standard, or level that is regarded as usual or ordinary. Here's an example. Underground water reserves are below average. So here there is an amount of water that's considered normal, and we might have a place where the water level is below the average. That means below what is the standard. Definition number 3. Having qualities that are seen as typical of a person, group, or thing. Here's an example. The average student does at least 1 hour of homework every day. And if that's not you, you should be. Definition number 4. Mediocre. Not very good. Here's an example. The very average musician made average songs. That means his songs were not dreadful, but they weren't outstanding either. They were just okay. So they were average. Now that we've had a look at the definitions together, and there are 4 of them, I'd like you to have a practice and write the word average in all of the different meanings into sentences. So on your whiteboards or rough books, you should have 4 sentences down using the word average in each of its different senses. So you're going to have 5 minutes on the clock, and you can use the dictionary to help you if you want, but the definitions will be up here in a minute. I would like you to have a go at practicing writing sentences. Time starts now. Off you go. Excellent work, guys. You're going to have 2 minutes now to share your sentences with your partner or your teacher. Off you go. Fantastic, and now we're going to do a quick spelling activity. Let's have a look at the word average and how it's spelt. I would break up the word like this. Age. You've got the word age on the end. It's very different to its natural syllables, which would go like this. Average. Average. It's as if the word ridge is in there, which it's not, so be careful. Average is not spelt how it sounds. So those little broken up bits really do help you to learn how to write the word. So remember, you've got av, er, and then age on the end. Have a look at the word. In a minute, the word is going to go away and you're going to get 10 seconds to write the word down on your whiteboard and see if you can write that down without any help. So have a look. Here is the word average. And 10 seconds starts now. Go. Excellent work, children. That you've been fantastic today. I know this one was a bit of a long one, and well done for keeping up with me. Make sure you use the words in your writing at all times, and I will see you tomorrow with tomorrow's word of the day. See you soon. Bye for now. Hi teachers, how are you? I hope you enjoyed that video, and I will be making lots more videos on spelling to come. Right now I'm working on the year 5 and 6 spelling words, which you are more than welcome to use in your classroom directly with your kids, and let's get them spelling, let's get them progressing. And with the spelling words in particular, I find that, doing spelling tests, it's all well and good. And usually we give them a sheet with all the spelling words that the government want on it. And the sheet just ends up in the bottom of their bag. So I find that using something like a resource like this directly in the classroom, say for early morning work, is a great way of getting the children practicing in time that would otherwise be spent reading or doing something that is more of a passive activity, or even sometimes just sitting quietly when you're doing the register. So whenever you get a spare 5 minutes, do use these videos and put them to good use, and hit that subscribe button where I will keep you up to date with all of the new videos that will be coming up soon. So have a great day, and bye for now.